I mean, what could possibly go wrong? I think it'll work. Welcome back, YouTube. It's old Chevy 4x4 and Clyde coming to you with a little shop project, although it looks like we're out here by the pond. So today, guys, we're going to wander down to the shop and dig around in the scrap pile and see if we can't come up with something. I want to get all these branches out of this pond. So you can see we've had an abnormally dry summer. The water level is way low. Most of this is completely covered. Wouldn't even know it was there when the pond is at normal level. But now I can see it, and I don't want it here. Mostly because, as I've been wandering along through here, I have run across copperheads and cottonmouths, and they like to just kind of chill and hang out in here, and that is not cool for me and my buddy Clyde. So I've got to do something about that. So my plan is, I could walk out there and do it by hand. That sounds like a lot of physical labor and looks really muddy and, might get snake bit. Option 2 is I could back the tractor in close enough. Some of these closer ones I could probably grab with my backhoe and run the risk of getting really, really stuck. Option 3 is I figure out some way to extend my reach a little bit. So that's what we're going to work on right now. Let's check it out. So this right here is a little boom type deal that I put in the receiver hitch on the bucket of my tractor for light duty bulky items. You're not lifting no engines out with this thing, at least vehicle engines, but small engines or just bulky objects, works fantastic for. What it also does is sticks out a little over 4 foot in front of the tractor. So what I want to do, I'm going to add a little length with this dude, like so, and then to the end of this dude, I'm going to have this with, of course, everything's going to be cut and whatnot. Pieces coming down. Think of like a big snaggletooth rake, basically. Well, we got a little spray paint on there, and that is the end result, guys. That is the finished product. Just as soon as this paint dries up, well, it'll be tomorrow, but we're going to take it down to the water and try it out. So, let's fast forward. well, that sunk quickly. God bless. Alright, self-extraction, part 2. Not gonna dig with the hoe, we're gonna use the hoe to pull. So, after an eventful shakedown run, it looks like I did bend up one time, just a little bit maybe right there. It looks like he's a little out of whack compared to the rest of the guys. Not too terrible. Nothing broke. Did get a good stock, but nothing broke. So, awesome. It lives to see another day. Well, there you have it, guys. As you can see, it did work well, and you got a little bonus stuck tractor footage. As always, thank you all very much for watching the videos, checking out the channel, leaving the comments, and all that good stuff. Do me a favor, please stay safe, stop back. Thank you for watching.